It's a short video of fitting the Propex heat source LPG undermount tank on the Fiat Ducato Ram ProMaster 2020 model. They come with these stainless steel brackets which require no drilling to fit. Just undo the exhaust bolts either side and then slip the stainless steel bracket underneath, and on the chassis side they come with these bolts already pre-installed on the bracket. So once you've undone the exhaust, you can then line these nuts up with the holes in the chassis like that. He says trying to do with one hand and a knee, and then they slip in, do the nuts up, and then they grip onto the inside of that cross member. So far, very easy.